Yo dudes! Welcome to creamy tofu miso noodles! Easy to make, umami, delicious, savory, you will be wanting more. 10 minutes, they last well in your fridge, they do really good in a meal prep, and they're delicious. Here we go. First step, we've got a saucepan full with boiling water. We're gonna put in a pinch of salt. Into the boiling water, I've got 4 nests of whole wheat noodles. Use brown rice noodles or whatever type of noodles are your preference. On top of the noodles, take the pak choi from your eyeballs and chop it in half. We're gonna allow that just to steam lightly as the noodles cook. Just chop them into quarters. We're gonna let them cook down for about 4 minutes, and next we are going to prep our mushrooms and tofu, and we're gonna fry them down. I've got 250 grams of oyster mushrooms or mushrooms of choice. We have 200 grams of tofu. I'm gonna chop them into 4 even-sized triangles. Into a hot frying pan, I've got 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil or oil of choice. So while our tofu and mushroom are frying away, I'm gonna prep our base veg. So we have 2 cloves of ginger and half a thumb size. 2 cloves of garlic.
2 cloves of garlic, correct, sorry. And I've got half a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Just chop them into small bits.
Why are you leaving the skin on the ginger?
Because it's organic and there's more minerals in the skin.
Okay, well, Steve's prepping that. Just get your twin to drain and rinse the noodles. Okay, if you don't have a twin, just drain and rinse the noodles. So we're gonna make our sauce just while our mushrooms and tofu are nearly ready to turn. Into a bowl, I'm adding in our sliced ginger and garlic. I've got 1 full fat tin of coconut milk, that's 400 grams, 2 tablespoons of miso and 1 tablespoon of tahini. Mix it all together to make this beautiful sauce. Okay, tofu and mushrooms are cooked. The tofu looks really just crispy, delicious. So I've got our sauce. I'm gonna add in a few tablespoons of our delicious sauce just to kind of marinate in here. Okay, next up, all we're doing is we're taking our noodles and our pak choi and we're literally just adding it all together. And in goes the remainder of the sauce. So I've just taken the tofu out just to leave on the side. We're gonna put this on to serve the dish, and it just makes it easier to incorporate the sauce with the noodles. But it's saucy, it's noodly, it's starchy, like it's really, really looking fab. Okay, time to bring this dish together. I have spring onions, also known as scallions. I'm gonna chop these at a 45-degree miter cut and use these to garnish. Okay, we're gonna serve this one in the pan. It always photographs really nice in the pan. I'm gonna add some chili flakes, just 'cause it's gonna give a pop of red to it, and then some sesame seeds, and then it's ready to go. There we go, creamy miso tofu noodles. Delicious. I think it's beautiful in that you're getting like starch, you're getting this kind of protein, and you're getting beautiful, luscious greens. But what is a decadent 10-minute delicious dinner? But what's the nicest is the sauce about it. The sauce makes it all together. Like, look at that for delicious. Creamy, noodly, umami, delicious. So origins of this are Stephen's Head. Here we go. Cheers.
I like pak choi.
Miso is so good now. But this is a great dish. As we said, 10 minutes. It'll serve, I'd say 4 people quite comfortably. And yeah, we've got more than 400 videos, recipe videos on this on our channel, so do check them out. Thanks for making it this far in the video. We really, really appreciate it.
Nearly forgot to tell you, we've just releasing a podcast. We're having such fun with it. Let us know what you think, and if there's any future guests you'd love to see in the show.
Yeah, we've had some really cool people, some artists, musicians. Lovely, really, really cool people, but genuinely, if you can help us with guests, which you might think are great, we'd love to.
Thanks for watching, sending lots of love, wishing you a good week. Cheers! Bye.